In this short video, I'll take you through how to achieve a pure white background when doing a headshot. What's up, Charlie? My name is Kwekwaye and this is Ghanaian photography. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider subscribing and hit the bell so you get notified anytime there's a new video. Our model for today is Michelle. In this setup, I'll use two lights for this demonstration. Our key light is the Godox AD600BM in the 105cm beauty dish from Photobox, and then there is one light placed behind her with a small silver reflector to bounce light on the backdrop. I'll do this without this light and with it so we see the difference. So we'll place our key light on our model from the side. I want to feather it so it doesn't spread too much on her. So let's take a shot with this and I'll explain as we move on. So this is our image straight out of camera, no raw processing. You can see from the image we just previewed that the background seems to look white, but that's because we haven't raw processed it yet. Once we start shifting sliders in CaptureOne, you realize that the background isn't all that white. Why? Because first of all, our light is not directly on the backdrop, and then it's quite away from the backdrop. Our subject too is a bit farther from the backdrop. So we are going to try it again, this time with the light facing her directly like this. So this way we have some of the light falling on her and then some falling on the backdrop. So let's take that and see if we will still achieve a white background. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so that worked. Now we have a pure white background. Even if we start moving the sliders, we'll still have a pure white background. This awesome makeup was done by our awesome makeup artist, KK. Say hello to our people.
Hello.
Okay guys, you can check her out on Instagram. If you need makeup done, just call her and she'll be at your doorstep. Thank you, KK. That's one way of getting a pure white background, but we can add a second light to make it look even more white, or in case we still want to feather the light and still have a white background, we'll turn on our second light, which is our background light. So we place it behind our model so she hides it so it doesn't appear in our shots. So let's turn on the modeling light and we'll use this to demonstrate how it will spread around. Now I put the silver reflector on so it will direct the spread. As you can see from the modeling lamp, it's well spread behind her. So let's take a shot and see what we have. Lovely. So now we have tilted the lights away from the background, but we still have a pure white background. I hope you've learned something from this short video. Don't forget to check my Instagram to see more pictures from this shoot. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.